How to access and use the Career Center, external candidates. This video tutorial is for users of our online e-recruitment system. It explains how to access and use the Career Center. To access your Career Center, log in to your account from yukon.ca, select Employment, log into the Career Center, and log in. Log in using your user email and password. Your resume submission history page will open. Note the Search Jobs, View All Jobs, Notifications, and Career Center buttons at the top left corner of the screen. The Search Jobs takes you to the Quick Job Search page. View All Jobs provides information to view all jobs. Notifications has two submenu items, correspondence you can view either sent or received letters, and My Notifications sent through the systems. Log out, and finally, the Help button. By clicking on Career Center, you'll see a menu of options: Resume, Resume Submission History, Job Search Agents, Cover Letters, My Offers, Interview Invitations, Onboarding New Hire Checklists, Change Username/Password, Search Jobs, User Account Details, and Terms of Use. The Resume button takes you to your resume profile page. That contains your most recent resume. To edit it, click on the Edit Resume for Future Application button. Scroll through the page to view and update your information. Save your resume after making changes and press Submit. The Cover Letter section displays your created or used cover letters for job postings. Note that it is optional unless specified in the job posting. Your resume submission history lists your completed and incompleted applications. Incomplete applications are those you choose to finish later. You can view the details of the specific job by clicking on the job title. In the Actions column, you can view resume, view cover letter, remove yourself from consideration. If you choose to remove yourself, you can also add yourself back for consideration. Note that this can only be done until the close date with the resume you applied with. Go back to and click on Career Center, then search for jobs. My Job Search Agents allows you to create and manage job search agents. To create a search agent, click on the Create New Search Agent button and search for a job using keywords, location, or category. Click Search. To save this search, click on the Save Search as an Agent button. You will be prompted to fill out a search agent name. Select Active along with the Acknowledgement button and then Save Search as Job Agent. To view and manage the search agents you have created, select My Job Search Agents. Here, you will find the search agent name, whether it is active or not, the delivery method you have selected, the delivery frequency, the search agent's next run date, date created, and various action options. Under the Actions tab, you can run agent manually, deactivate or activate, and delete the search agent. And that is how you can edit your resume and create a search agent in the Career Center. Thank you for your interest in working with the Yukon government.